Uh-huh. Right here. Okay. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, about the reversal pattern. But I'll show it to you later. Okay. Yeah, and there are many mitigations here. So price just went down to sweep this low because it was open at this 8:30 would be a real New York open for me. Any open, but for slit, like a rim slit or whatever, it's just a trap timing to induce people, you know. So, and there are like 15 trap timings, like 15 different trap timings. So that's the reason I don't teach it, because it's just too complicated and you don't really need it. Break high, break higher. Right, so this was a lit point and I missed it somehow. This guy. And yeah, there's all there is to it. Yeah, I mean, you can take a buy entry of this. This is a textbook entry, okay? We have timing, we have everything with us, and you leave us with 1.5 pip stop loss. But then, if you're cautious, you're scared of this imbalance, because, you know, price can still come here to clear this before shooting up. This should be your stop loss, 3.6 pip stop loss, and your higher targets would be this. And I might just use a different color to show that it's not our entry. Let's do this one. Let's use this one. Wait, what? Yeah. Huh? When is slit timing approximately? What is slit timing?
Like at which time exactly? And
The lit
lit
point?
timing, magic timing, or how they call it.
Magic timing? It's this. It's 8:30. It's a trap timing.
Until when? So from 8:30 I can expect until so
You'll just see a move that clears liquidity that is against your bias. So it can
okay.
be like 10 minutes, or it can be a whole move. The whole session can be a manipulation as well. I'll show it to you.
So you look for interest at this
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. No,
Use.
you're just cautious because you're gonna get taken out if, yeah. If you're moving inside the range and then it's trap timing or some session open or something, you have buys here, then you're expecting one side to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just that, but I'm showing you. Yeah. This was New York session, and you see, like almost. Oh, this is only 30 minutes of manipulation. Okay.
Mhm.
But a whole session can be a manipulation as well. I'm gonna try. What the hell? I'm gonna try find a good one for you. But there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Nothing here. Yeah. So, oh, okay. It's always okay. It's always a kill zone most of the time. But it can happen as well. Whatever.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no props. So this was a possible entry that we missed, and we just oh my god, what is this, bro? This is not my TradingView account, so I'm confused. Or I'm sharing this TradingView account with my friend, so I'm confused why it's here. And then, so this whole thing is efficient again, and the price, yeah, this was the last interaction with it, so you could have bought in here. Well, we'll get into those type of entries like in 1 month when you get all of those basics like craved in your soul. But until then, let's just keep it simple. Let buy on the extreme, sell on the extreme. Yeah, and see, price takes it out. And we hit our first major partial, I closed 50-70% of trade running here. And yeah, and we start looking for sells because we are in the 50% pricing of the whole range. We know that Friday is still continuing. For Thursday, we had this huge push down. This is most probably gonna be, it is actually just a pullback on higher time frame, on 5 minute, for example. So we can start looking for sells here, 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 or even wait for this high to be taken out. But no, this is not probable because they would go against their own positions at this point. And what I teach you is that liquidity is protected until the opposite side isn't taken, right? And if you didn't read the source, I'll remind it. It's because they are protecting their orders, basically. So we are just anticipating that there are sell orders right here. So why would they take it out, right? No. In this intraday until the price fulfills its objective. So it's the target from the left, maybe on weekly or something, on some price action like 0.70, because I don't know why, but price the algorithm lost like 0.00 levels. It's just the psychological level, I think. So that's why. But yeah, let's continue. Yeah. So we're reaching the 1 minute IPA. You just clear this. Yeah, and this would be an algo pattern for you as well. I only taught you guys about lit pattern, right? Which would be, yeah, this and continue higher. But I've seen one guy share this on Instagram today, so I might as well share it with you. I knew about it before, but I, yeah, I didn't share it yet. I don't use it actively, but basically, if you have strong high, then price is engineering liquidity in the middle of that pullback to take you out. So this is what's happening basically. And there's no real way to get 100% place to take a sell from. Well, yeah, you just anticipate that it's going to be a 50 or 80% level in the extreme with imbalance. So you have 1 inefficiency, 2 inefficiencies, 3 inefficiencies to sell from. Yeah, and this is already efficient on the higher time frame. So I'm trying to, yeah, no. Okay, there's nothing here. Yeah, okay, so let's continue. Okay. Yeah, you see, price inducing people to sell. That's why we're seeing the pullback. So it is to just confirm me that my POI is most probably right. Yeah. Okay. We'll wait for a reaction before. Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay, that will be a break of structure for me already. And now you can take a sell from wherever you want when price starts pullbacking. So this is your current range right now. Anything above 50%, you can even do this. You can put this like this 4 pips stop loss, and you fly. And you can even refine it. So there's the imbalance side of it. And you can take the trade out the AVG. So this will be 3 pips stop loss. Or you can just simply use yeah. Yeah, and you can just simply refine it to the whole sell to buy area like this. All of those entries are valid. So let's do this. No, let's do 50% of imbalance. Yeah. So we don't miss out on a trade. Yeah. Oh, okay. Stop loss about this high. Okay, wait, what? This is 23rd, right? Yeah, it is. So I might just check 30 seconds to see what's happening here. So, oh, okay. But it was efficient, no? Oh, no. Oh, okay. So I don't know, it's up this high. But I think it's gonna be something on lower time frame, even, yeah, whatever. So it tucked us in, and now after sweeping this buy side liquidity, we just again target the sell side liquidity. And your first partial you wanna have would be the structural point, because this is just liquidity. I'm gonna delete all of this. Yeah, you're gonna have a pullback here. You're expecting, and then there's nothing. And now, wait, if this is indeed uh, a reversal point for sells, okay, okay, so there would be a possible lit entry right here as well. If you missed all this would be the trade I would be taking in real life. If I was trading funded or some big capital, because this is super high probable, okay? 2.4 pips stop. Yeah, and it was taken out again. What the hell? Let me check it. Yeah, so I think what I think is that there is, yeah, here. There is this last sell to buy on seconds. This guy right here, right? This wick down is last sell to buy, and then price went. So that's the reason why it went to, okay. It makes sense. But I don't think you guys are surfing on 5 seconds to get these points. But this is what algo traders do basically. This would be their entry. You do? Oh wow, okay. Yeah. I mean, I don't do this anymore because it's really stressful to have like 0.4 pips to loss with like super, yeah. And sometimes you miss trades, or most of the time you miss trades. So yeah, that's why I advise this. Just, I mean, enter. Don't be scared of big stop loss. You know, it won't hurt you if you have a good pass. You're always gonna end up with 3 or 4 hours at the end of the day, at least. So yeah, okay. Again, we're reacting in the middle of nowhere, inducing people. Yeah, see, it even broke up again. There was a possible sell here, but I didn't like the pricing. Yeah, and see, price did have a reaction here on the Swix. On this week, uh, it's possible to look for sells here, of course. Yeah, to look for sells here. I mean, if you were really desperate, just enter like this, stop loss above this, 7 pip, or even this, par 4. Okay, I hope it's not gonna sweep down. Okay, it is. Okay, so wait, 5.7. This was the 7.5. And yeah, so yeah, and then did price track of this 50% level? No. Okay. So yeah, you see the whole pre New York and the whole New York Open, this would be New York kill zone, right? And it would be like 2 hours from the beginning. So yeah, like here until here. Oh, okay, hurts. But this whole move up was a manipulation, right? To clear liquidity and then to sweep down. So you can do my cool trick. Just put it below the start of the manipulation, and you can use this as TP. Wait, no, we couldn't have used it before. No, okay. So just put it here, just put it here. And we are happy to go. Yeah, I'm gonna check if it oh, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't check the pricing before, so that stop loss was dumb. That happens. I'm just gonna play it out. I don't. You have London close right here because I don't. Oh, wait, what? Uh, okay. Yeah, so this would just be an FBOS for me. If price is planning to go higher, then oh, not sure about this guy though. Yeah, let me just check it. If you missed all those cells. Yeah, okay. I mean, I would just sell only if it reached above this low, this high, right? And that would be my last entry, yeah, attempt for the day. And does price reach it? Yeah, yeah. So this will be the whole trading day. London, Frankfurt, no entry. Let's review it. So like Sydney, there's good trade on Sydney right here, but I don't trade it. Only Frankfurt Open, and Frankfurt Open had a manipulation, two manipulations, but both didn't give any good reactions from. So what I would be doing is I would just wait for this to mitigate and sell from that for super high probability trades. But it never happened. So yeah, so those are all entries. Yeah, this was missed as well. Was my stop loss design? Yeah, and you see, even if you held this guy, you like 1 to 8. This TP was good, but it was hit by break even, right? No, this was a full TP. Sydney is the window uh between Frankfurt and Asia. So you have Asian start somewhere here, right? It's like, yeah, it's 7 p.m. Asia Eastern time. And then Sydney starts like 2 hours after, and I don't know where it ends. But yeah, I used to wait, why is this Asian this big? Okay, so session 7 till midnight. Yeah. So, and this, when I was able to wake up earlier, this was my Sydney session, and Sydney session works same as Frankfurt. You're gonna have a lot of manipulations inside of it. So yeah, so this would be one, right? And this would be second, which Frankfurt was part of. So session manipulation and Frankfurt Open started, right? Yeah. So Frankfurt just finished the move. And yeah, let's see. There's something more. Yeah, I believe we missed on many trades. I didn't take this, for example, because it was super low probable. But yeah, this all there is. All of those trades that I've taken, even those two losses here, were high probable trades. So, do you have any more questions? I can show you the patterns as well. Just a sneak peek, you know? Mm, okay, I don't know why it's so slow, but uh, hmm. But basically, it's the same as SMC, honestly. So you have two patterns for price delivery. It would be the lit pattern, right? The lit entries. So this one. Then you have engineering, liquidity engineering, which is this, for example, this then price keeps engineering liquidity to sweep and bump, right? And then there are reversal patterns that I also use. For buys, it would look something like, I don't know, this would be, yeah, this mitigation liquidity, and we buy from the SPOI. For sells, it would be, yeah, POS mitigation, zero liquidity. Well, it's simple. It's nothing you don't know. The algo trading itself is nothing you don't know, but you're just applying things wrong. For example, SMC doesn't teach that this is already efficient pricing, right? They would tell you that there's imbalance on this and price is gonna go there, but you would get missed on your trade right here. And this there would be a wick here, wick down, up like this, and this was the last interaction with the efficient price action. This sell to buy, sell to buy, sell to buy. So, and this would be the last interaction, and you can just take an entry off here, like the hyperbole entry with huge momentum. Of course, you're counting with some major liquidity from the left side being taken out. So reversal patterns, then I have something more as well. Oh, it's gonna be a sneak peek, but I'm yeah, so like another reversal pattern that I have is be an FBOS. No, I'm not gonna write this right here, but I don't use it. You don't really need to study these. Just study the basics that I'm showing you, and you'll be fine. Like it's more than enough to be super profitable. And what I'm trading here and what I'm teaching you guys is what I gain the funding with as well. Yeah. So you don't really need to look for any crazy sauce out there, you know, Hunter or some overhyped kids. They just talk about timing again, and just flexing, and like they're just baiting you to look for something that you don't really need. Like it's gonna increase your win ratio a bit, but it's nothing crazy. Inducement, but you don't need those. You can trade SND and basic smart money and be profitable. There's mitigation right here. Let's use this and then mitigate something above. This would be an inducement as well. Yeah, so this would be my algo reversal pattern. There was a short that I didn't take, but I said I could have taken. Yeah, it was this guy basically. No, was it? No, it was this guy. Yeah, like the sell here was super easy, but I didn't take it because I'm just using what I'm showing you guys. And you can even be profitable with trend lines. That's why I sometimes just trade support resistance in trend lines. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so do you have any more questions about this whole price action? I'll take a screenshot of it. Nah, it you'll have a recording on Telegram soon. So yeah. So if you don't have anything, then you'll just end it, okay? Have a nice day and bye-bye.